Thanks for joining me today. Get to walk you through this 2026 Sea Ray SPX 210. This is the 21-foot version of the SPX. This has just got your classic white on the outside here. It does come with the bimini. It does come with this dual axle trailer as well. This is an amazing boat for here in the Midwest, trailing around to different lakes. It fits in most garages. Does have the nice submersible swim platform here, manual, and it's got the 4.5 Merc in it. Nice big swim platform, nice walkthrough. Let's go to the interior and take a look at the rest. All right, welcome aboard this SPX 210. We've got the nice big sun pad here in the back to hang out, swimming, all that kind of stuff. We've got a nice true walkthrough, sea deck all the way through. We've got the battery switches right there. A little bit of storage right here when you walk in. Cup holders, seating, kind of all the way around. Storage underneath there. Built-in cooler right here. Got storage underneath there. We got the co-captain's chair that does move forward and backward with storage underneath it. We do have a ski locker, very deep ski locker for a 21 foot. Easy to get in there and put the skis and any other things you want. Captain's chair with the bolster. Nice and round, hugs you a little bit when you're driving. And then we got the standard Simrad screen in here. This is touch screen, gives you GPS, information about the engine. A lot of information for you. Fusion stereo head unit. Some rocker switches there with accent lighting. And then on this side, we do have some nice storage here on the port side. And then we come up to the bow of this 21. Nice bow seating here. And then we have a bow ladder as well. 21 feet in length, 8.6 on the beam, nice and wide 21. This is here at our Rogers location. If you'd like to stop by anytime, take a look, or give us a call and set up an appointment. We'd love to show it to you.